All right, it's the morning of September 15th. And I'm bringing Morgan in here for the first time in probably a week or so, and she'll give us an update on what's going on. So what do you have here, Morgan? So we got the flooring all in.
We got the
Chandelier. This wall is, we've got some surprises for that wall there. They dropped some trim off this morning. That must be all the baseboards. Here's the reception area, and we got our reception monitors, computers mounted.
And then we got the rug / floor.
It's just, yeah, carpet tiles.
Carpet tiles.
Yeah.
And then we got some cabinets.
Break room, got some cabinets in here. Big breaker panel. How about head into the office here? The beginning of Dr. J's office. Oh man, check out this. She's got an amazing shower, herringbone tile that's done. Killer work there. That's just our data closet. Here is our massage room, and we have a massage table. And
got laundry rooms.
Laundry room, water heater up there. All right.
Then there's no something to do.
Oh,
You
bath.
can't turn the light on.
No, we can't turn the bathroom light on, so this will have to stay a surprise. And here is the exam x-ray room. So we got the x-ray system all hooked up. Yeah. So that is where we're at. Walk back around to the front. Cabinets are being delivered today. We'll have the part of that will be the front desk, and then the cabinets are going to go back there on the wall. And then more cabinets being delivered tomorrow. So it's going to look really different soon. We're hoping for an early October open. Keep fingers crossed.